Good Wednesday morning on February 18th, a post-atmospheric river event that just passed through the Sierra foothills. We did not get snow, unfortunately. That's rare, but so much fun. But we did get a lot of water. And our little section of the creek has swelled to its usual river dimension, which is quite fun. Moving downstream a little bit, it's not quite as noisy. This is serenity at its finest. If you're a water lover like I am. Oh, deep breath, clear, crisp morning air, and this lovely motion. Spring is here. Don't know if you can see the raindrops that have collected on these out there. They're just tiny little sparkling balls on the creek trees. The cattails will be coming back lush and green soon. The birds are loving this. And last night, the frog serenade was incredible. Heading downstream now to see what the little flatter area has to offer. Just a quick stop to say hello to the buckeye, our harbinger of spring, the first tree along the creek that will get its beautiful, fabulous color of green shoots, leaves coming out. Gotta love your buckeyes. This is about midpoint of our section of this creek. And what's interesting is you can see something that got brought here a couple of years ago when this middle island was created and got left behind. Somebody's burn barrel. We used to have a walking path that we created. Paul would drive the tractor through, but as the creek has shifted, there are now two avenues of it. In the far back, over there, is the other channel. And this was where this water is running, was our path, our nature trail. But it's not quite as accessible as it used to be. And we're pretty much okay with it just going back to nature. It's a marvelous habitat for deer and skunk and quail. We've seen bobcats. It's a treasure. And this area used to be a playground for the granddaughters. The diagonal branch that you see coming across there was a small tree that got pushed over by the giant storm when we had a flood, 100-year flood. And there were tons of sand was deposited around here. So access to the creek was always simple and fun for the little girls. You can see the debris fields here are extraordinary. Stuff got left, 3-4 feet up everywhere. Nature at work.